Hello, my dear children. Good morning, all of you. Today, for class 10, arithmetic progression. You have already learned the basic thing on arithmetic progression. Today, the second part. In this part, we will discuss the sum of n terms of an AP. See the formula. Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, this when last term unknown, or Sn equal to n by 2 into a plus l when last term is known. There are two forms: last term unknown, last term known. And n equal to number of terms, a equal to first term, d equal to common difference, Sn the sum. Now an equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1. To get the terms, the difference between sum of consecutive terms, that you will get the terms, and sum of a first natural numbers, first n natural numbers, that is Sn equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. These are the formula you have to remember. On the formula, sums are given. See the board. Find the sum of the AP, that is 1 by 15, 1 by 12, 1 by 10 to 11 terms. So here first term a equal to 1 by 15, common difference, that is second term minus first term, that is 1 by 12 minus 1 by 15. By simplification it is coming 1 by 60, and number of terms, that is given 11. Now we have to find out the sum, that is this formula. By applying this formula, therefore Sn equal to, you have to write the formula. After writing the formula, relevant value you have to write. After writing the values, then you have to simplify. Then in place of n, that is 11, and in place of a, that is 1 by 15, and in place of d, that is 1 by 60. After that we have to simplify. Very simple simplification. After simplification it is coming 33 by 20. This is the sum of 11 terms of an AP. I think it is clear. Next sum, that is so that A1, A2, A3 form an AP. You have to prove this one is forming an AP where An is defined as An equal to 3 plus 4n. This is the first part. First part here, An equal to 3 plus 4n. This type of sum, in which way you have to do, see the solution attentively. Here putting n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. In this way you will get the first term, second term, third term, etc. See, A1 in place of n we are putting 1, that is by calculation it is coming 7. Similarly in place of n we are putting 2, and by calculation it is coming 11. In place of n we are putting 3, in place of n we are putting 4. In this way we are getting these terms. The list of the numbers 7, 11, 15, 19, in this way. Now whether the list is forming an AP or not, that we have to check. So 11, that is 11 minus 7, 15 minus 11, 19 minus 15. In this way, if you see the same number is coming, then it will form an AP. See, let us see. 11 minus 7, that is 4. 15 minus 11, that is 4. 19 minus 15, that is also 4. This is the common difference. So 7, 11, 15, 19 form an AP with A equal to 7 and common difference equal to 4. Proved. This is forming an AP. There is a second part. In second part, here A equal to 7, D equal to 4, and N equal to, we have to find out the sum of first 15 terms. So number of terms 15. So by applying the formula Sn equal to this formula, then here we have to put the relevant value that is S 15, N that is 15 by 2, and value of A that is 7, and N that is 15 minus 1, and value of D that is 4. After writing the formula, you have to put the values. After putting, we have to simplify. So 15 by 2 into 14 plus 14 into 4, this. Then 15 by 2 into 14 plus, that is 56. Then 15 by 2, then it is coming 0 and 6, 7, this, and it will be cancelled. After cancellation it is coming 35. Then 15 into 35, 15 into 35, that is you have to do in rough, that is, or directly you may do 15 5, that is 5, and this is 45 and 7, that is 52. This is the sum. 525 is the answer. Just you have to remember the formula, and if you put a relevant value and simplification, if you do correctly, then you will get the answer. Still, if you feel any difficulties, you must communicate with me. One sum left, that is for homework. You must try, and if you can't, I am always ready to help you. Okay, thank you everybody.